Alright, good day YouTubers. Quick video here. These are Walmart Marketside, the seasoned Angus beef patties. I think there's one left. Comes 6 1/3 pound, fresh frozen, ready to cook. They do have a fair amount of grease that they give off as you're cooking. Ingredients. Preparation. Would I buy these again? No. Would not buy these again. This is the first time I've ever tried these. And I'm going to cook the last one here in the skillet. I've put a little bit of oil. You can barely notice, but there is. I just wiped it on with some paper towel. That's all you need. This is what they look like. You can defrost them overnight in the refrigerator. That's typically what I do. That's what they look like. They come in a bag separated by freezer paper so they don't stick together too bad. And so I'm just going to heat it. I've got the temperature on a little bit below medium. We'll just get that defrosting a little bit. Normally I would use my grill, the Griddler Cuisinart. Either one of these works, it doesn't matter. And get this cooked up. I'll leave it on this side for 3 or 4 minutes, flip it over, just to get it defrosting. The only other frozen hamburgers that I've tried were the Bubba burgers. And Walmart was clearing them out for some reason, and they do not carry them in my local Walmart anymore. Not sure why. I just happened to be going by on the day that they had the sign up for closeout, and a lot of people were buying them because it was a really good price, since they were trying to get rid of them. So I thought I'd grab a box of the Bubba burgers and try those. And I would say, yeah, I would buy the Bubba burgers again, but I have not seen them over at Walmart again, so they must have stopped carrying them for some reason. So I tried these. These were on sale the one day. I would just give these a so-so review. Are they 80-20, 70-30? I don't know. But they're just okay. If I had to choose between Bubba and this, I would get the Bubba burgers. I have not tried any of the other frozen burgers that Walmart has stacked in their open freezer case. Your mileage may vary depending on how picky you are about your beef. But these, I would just say, not going to buy them again. I'm glad I'm down to the last one. Distributed by Walmart. I don't know who actually makes them. Anyway, I cook my hamburgers until they're like dry. I get paper towel in here, soak up the grease. I'm a little bit odd about how I cook my hamburgers. I like, some people like them juicy. For me, I like a dry hamburger. If I could squeeze out all the last ounce of grease out of it, I would. The best I can do is just press down with the flipper, squeeze it out, mop it up with paper towel, squeeze it some more. I know they have some of those burger circular press things that you can push down on, and I prefer mine fully cooked, beyond a shadow of a doubt. I don't have any burger buns, so I'm just gonna have this as is. So that's my review on the seasoned Angus beef patty. I'll give you a shot when it's fully cooked and ready to go.